Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Here's another common leak on the Saab 93 power steering pump. This pump usually leaks from 5 different locations. I already showed you 3 of those on a previous video, and now I'm showing you the 4th one. This is the easiest one as we don't have to take the pump out. We will just leave some rags underneath to collect any spill. Clean the area around the bonjo bolt to prevent any contamination when we remove it. I will use some brake cleaner to do so. Use a 19mm socket to remove the bonjo bolt and the double washer. Then use a 30mm socket to remove the big nut which secures the pump valve. This is the source of the leak. It is the top O-ring that we are going to replace. Be careful not to touch or attempt to remove the lower O-ring. It's a habit that I do check the valve for freedom of movement. Remove the O-ring and clean the whole fitting. I'm just going to use an O-ring that visually looks the same from my generic O-ring kits. I will lubricate it with some power steering fluid and install it. Tighten the nut initially by hand and then snug it with a wrench. There is no torque figure for this nut, so use your judgment. Clean the hose tip and clean the double washer and attach it to the high pressure hose. Position it to around 10 o'clock as you will see here. Insert the bonjo bolt and start it by hand. Then torque it to 32 Newton meter or 24 foot-pounds. Clean up any spills and top up your fluid level, and take it for a spin to check for leaks again. Thank you boys and girls for watching, and remember, if you are not a subscriber, consider subscribing. Bye bye!